Hello everybody and welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today I am going to be using my white toner printer to make a design on the stainless steel tumbler. The nice thing about the stainless steel tumblers is they run around $3, sometimes even less, whereas your sublimation tumblers are typically around anywhere from $6 to $7 blank. White toner is nice because it can go on just about any surface, and I'm using this premium one-step hard surface paper. To begin, you need to get on your computer and open up the iColor Rip program. Then I'm going to simply just drag my design into the program. It does take some time for it to load and then for me to edit it to get it to where it needs to be. So I did cut out a lot of the time because that's really going to depend on your computer. So I figured it wasn't fair to make you sit through the loading process. But down here, we're going to click on the proper paper, which is the hard surface premium. And now you do need to mirror this item. It isn't see-through. Think of it almost like a t-shirt where it automatically mirrors. This one does not. So we have to mirror our image. Once your picture is where you want it to be, you can go ahead and print it out. This is another thing that takes a good amount of time depending on your connection.
A few moments later.
Honestly, the connection issues has to be the most frustrating aspect of the white toner printer. But man, when it works great. So this is what it looks like printed out. Keep in mind that they do offer paper specifically for metallic surfaces. However, I don't have any and I'm not going to buy a whole pack to do one tumbler. So I'm just going to use the regular premium hard surface one-step paper. Once you are satisfied with your trimmings, you can go ahead and tape it down. Keep in mind that toner needs pressure. Unlike sublimation where you really just want to make sure it stays in place and it's going to dye your cup, this one, the ink is actually transferring onto the surface. So you want to make sure you have lots of pressure. Now this is a very, very important part. When you're pressing, you also want to make sure you're hitting all surfaces. You have to move your cup around to make sure that it is really pushing on that transfer or that toner onto the cup. So I am spinning this around. You're gonna see, spoiler alert, I did mess up at the very top here. I did not press it down enough, but the rest of the cup, I spun it at least, 5-6 times to get every part, except for the top, to go into the heat press and get that good pressure onto it. Now this is a little different, guys. You gotta take your cup and put it into cold water. Yes, for 1 minute, this cup needs to soak in cold water. And of course, you need to add extra time if you have to turn it, so that way the whole surface is covered and you can see the image start to come through once you know you got a good soak on it. After that 1 minute mark, then you can remove the outer paper. And I cannot wait for you guys to see how good this turned out. So if you don't mind, while I'm removing the paper, if you could hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, it would really, really help us out. And I truly do appreciate every single one of you. Or if you're interested in sublimation, more so than white toner, I do have a ton of sublimation tumbler videos, different ways that you can do it, little hacks. They're on our channel, so go ahead and check them out, along with, of course, t-shirts and embroidery. So guys, look, you can already see the image popping through and it looks so awesome. Now, I am no expert with white toner. Believe me, I've had my printer for a year and I've just kind of started getting good at making t-shirts. It is so frustrating sometimes, but it is awesome when you figure it out. But look how cool this tumbler turned out. The metallic stainless steel background makes it like really pop, puts it to the next level compared to the regular sublimation tumblers. I think this turned out awesome with the exception of a little bit of mistake up at the top. My fault, my bad, you can see it. It's okay, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.